Let me ask you the question again, whether you think you can calculate the Musk premium in this stock and whether you need to make that calculation on a morning like this morning.
I mean, John, I think Elon is everything. I mean, he built this company from the ground up. He's in charge of all the product groups, engineering, design. He's critical to their fundraising capabilities. Without Elon Musk, I don't think the company can survive on a standalone basis.
So your line essentially over the last couple of weeks has been that this company at the moment is uninvestable. And I just wonder whether, from a valuation standpoint, it's almost impossible to apply a valuation, any kind of methodology to this company at the moment, given the noise, the experience that we've had over the last couple of months. Is it that difficult at the moment, Romit?
It is. I mean, you could make the case that the stock's worth $100 per share. You could make the case that the stock is worth $500 per share. One thing we know for sure is that they are growing tremendously. I was at the factory this week, and what I saw really blew my mind. But Elon and just the uncertainty around the whole management team is a huge swing factor that you really just can't incorporate into any sort of valuation methodology.
So, Romit, tell me what you did learn when you visited the factory and whether we can be optimistic about the deliverables that come through next week when we look at the production numbers. Nobody's talking about it. Are you optimistic about what could come?
I am. I mean, John, keep in mind, a year ago, they produced about 200 Model 3s. We went to the factory and watched them from start to finish produce a Model 3, every 10 to 15 minutes. And then next to the factory is the delivery center. And trust me when I say this, you go into the delivery center and it was packed with people who were dressed like they were going to a wedding, taking pictures because they were receiving their new Model 3. I mean, the joy and the excitement that this company has brought to consumers is really remarkable, and it's so unfortunate that the Tesla story today is getting overwhelmed with all these scandals.